Google Calendar is a powerful tool that helps you organize your time, stay on top of your schedule, and boost your productivity. Today you will learn simple steps to use Google Calendar like a pro. First, open Google Calendar on your computer or mobile device. You can access it from calendar.google.com or the Google Calendar app. Creating events. To add an event, click the Create button or tap the plus sign. Enter the event title, date, and time. You can add details like location, description, and even attach files. Don't forget to set a reminder so you get notified before the event starts. You can choose to get a notification minutes, hours, or days in advance. Using multiple calendars. Google Calendar lets you create multiple calendars for different parts of your life. For example, you can have one for work, one for family, and one for personal activities. To create a new calendar, go to the settings and select Add Calendar. Give it a name and color. This helps you easily see what kind of events are coming up. Sharing calendars. You can share calendars with friends, family, or coworkers. This makes scheduling meetings or events much easier. To share, open the calendar settings and add the email addresses of the people you want to share with. You can choose if they can only view or also edit the calendar. Using recurring events. If you have regular meetings or appointments, use the recurring event feature. When creating an event, select Does Not Repeat and change it to daily, weekly, monthly, or custom. This saves you time because you don't have to add the event every time it happens. Integrating with other apps. Google Calendar works well with other apps like Gmail, Google Meet, and Zoom. For example, when you receive an invitation in Gmail, you can add it directly to your calendar. You can also create video meetings with a single click inside the event. Tips for better use. Use the Tasks feature inside Google Calendar to keep track of your to-do list. Color code your events to quickly identify categories. Use the Agenda view to see your daily or weekly schedule in a simple list. Sync Google Calendar with your phone so you always have your schedule with you. By following these tips and features, Google Calendar will help you manage your time smarter and reduce stress. Start using Google Calendar today and become more organized like a pro.